Hey guys, so a couple things about the Campark ACT74 Extreme GoPro look-alike, rip-off, whatever you want to call it. This is a diagram that shows you a couple things like the HD out, the USB, the micro SD, and on this diagram it shows you where the lens is, the switch on and off with a big on and off sign, down key, up key, and the OK button. That's fine, but in case you wanted to know a couple other things, as I did, like I wanted to know where the microphone is on this thing, okay? You can see that I've covered up the logo here because I'm using this as a stealth cam, like a security cam, so I don't necessarily want those big bright letters there. So the microphone, because this microphone's not as good as it was on the DB5000 that I had, which is an older camera. The DB Power, here it is, the handbook for that. The microphone on this thing was stellar. The microphone input here, maybe it's because of the placement. See these three little dots there? Three little dots above where you put the SD card in. That's your stereo microphone right there. So it's on the side. So if you're taking a video from the front, you know, and somebody's talking from this side, well, it's not going in the microphone very well this side. So that's one possibility for and also I sprayed some air in here, so we'll try to clean these out because they're really, really tiny holes. And then if you turn it over to the other side where the up-down switch is, you'll also notice a little bit of a, maybe it looks like a disfigurement or a mar in the finish of the grid, the textural grid on the side. But actually, this is your speaker. So see this little like square thing with like about 9 holes in it? That's your speaker. So microphone on one side, right up there, speaker on this side. So in case you needed to know that, it's not in the instructions, which are written obviously in a form of Chinese English. Those are two features that aren't shown in the diagram that I thought you might want to be aware of. So that's it. If you have any more questions about this camera or anything else, go ahead and put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe. I need subscriptions. And refer this video to your friends if they need it. Appreciate it. Hope I could help. Thank you.